video inspired by Madame Diop.
Yep.
Look how fabulous she is. Isn't it so great with her fabulous earrings, her amazing clothes. We love Madame Diop and we want to look like her in real life.
I'm going to take the center of the head wrap and I'm going to just align it with the back of your head. And I'm going to bring it to the front. And for beginners, I feel like you should always knot the head wrap. That'll make it easier for you to work with it. So I'm going to go ahead and make a knot. And the tighter the knot, the better. Don't give yourself a headache, but just make the knot tight. These always make the head wrap look bigger than what it is. So the more you have of extra fabric, the better you can use it. In order for this style to look the way it needs to look, we're going to use some T-pins. So that way it'll stay. I'm going to take this end, the shorter end of the head wrap, and I'm going to bring it towards the back. I'm going to be doing some tucking and pinning. So I'm going to tuck this over here. I'm going to take and bring the other end of that short end to the front. And then I'll just tuck it in over here. You're going to take the end of this knot and just put your hands over it so it can have like a little hump. And then you take that end and you bring it around here. This is where the T-pin comes in handy because sometimes when you try to tuck, it's not gonna tuck. So then I'll just take the T-pin. It's a Madame Diop inspired head wrap. You see where we get our inspiration from.
Thank you for watching our video. We appreciate it. Comments below, subscribe, and let us know if you have any questions or ideas.
And practice makes perfect. So it won't be as easy the first time, but the more you do it and the more you look in the mirror and the better you practice, you'll be
an expert, and you'll look like Madame Diop. So like us down below. Thank you, and watch all our other videos for great ideas. And email us if you have any questions. Thanks. Au revoir. Merci. Bye.